Alright guys, by this point you should have already completed this work for the story I Am Not. We've already read the story and the questions. Let's go ahead and go over the questions now. Now remember, if you get the question right, give yourself a little check mark. But if you don't get it right, that does not mean that you erase your answer. You just leave your answer with what you have. This isn't to see how many you get right, it's just to see how you're doing. Okay? But if you did get it right, go ahead and give yourself a check mark. But if you didn't, do not erase your answer. Leave your answer the way that it is. Okay, so number 1, what does Mom think is wrong with the girl? Well, if we look at the first sentence, she says, "You are sick," said Mom. So she thinks the girl is sick. Number 2, what does the girl keep thinking? Well, if I look at the title, it says, "I am not." We know that Mom thinks she's sick, and she keeps saying, "I am not." So the girl thinks that she is not sick. And that would be the answer for number 2. And number 3, how much soup does Mom want the girl to have? That was at the ending of the story, so let's go back to the ending. I do not want a pot of soup. Have a little, not a lot. So she wants her to have a little. And that would be the answer for line 3. Make sure you put a question mark for the ones you got right. If you didn't get it right, just leave it alone. Make sure your name is up at the top and that you have the date. And then go ahead and put this in the turn-in tray. Then put the iPad back where it belongs so the next person can use it. And then go ahead and begin your binder work. Once your binder work is finished, you may then go to look and see what center you go to.